We are now going to be testing the ultimate AI optimized algorithm trader, Pocket Option Auto Trader. Yes, I have now let AI upgrade every single strategy we have. I have taken all the data I have collected through all the months we have been using the bot, and he have gone through every single strategy so we get the highest win rate ever. And with that, I'm going to test 5-second closing time, bullish band strategy. We will take $700 trades, and I will make sure we take minimum 5 trades. If you find that interesting, make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn the bell notification on so you never lose a video just like this one. And if you would like to have this AI optimized bot completely for free, you find link above the video at X and link below the video at YouTube. So now let's start up and let's see type of win rate we get in this video. So now let's start the bot. He's now starting to collect all the information he needs from the chart. Afterwards, he will start to collect all the information he needs from the indicators that this bullish band strategy is using. So now he's starting to look for a trade. Like I said, we will take minimum 5 trades in this video. So let's see how it goes. I will choose the time that is to stop. Let's see, we have with a sell trade now. First trade, 1 winner. I was not expecting anything else when we have AI that have optimized all the algorithm in this bot. We have 2 wins, 100% till now. This start looks pretty amazing. Now we just need to wait. He's taking 1 more trade here now. Perfect entry again. We have 3 trades, 3 winners. I need to say I'm impressed till now. Now he's taking a buy trade. And amazing again. Can we get 100%? He's taking now a buy trade. This might be the first loser. Yes, that was the first loser. He go down in with a sell, and just like that, 5 wins, just 1 loss with this AI optimized strategies. I love it. So we got a 83% win rate, $2,815 profit. That is good in my book. So if you want it, you find link above the video at X and link below the video at YouTube. And also make sure you subscribe and help me out. Give me a like on this video, I feel I deserve. And if you have any question, also just leave them in the comment at X and YouTube. So with that, have an amazing day, and I'll see you on the next.